This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable containers, specifically these Pulp Tech compartment containers and lids. You have several different options for the number of containers and the configuration. We have the 34-ounce 2-compartment, which you can see has that one large compartment and a second smaller round one. You have the 31-ounce 3-compartment that has that nice large central round one with those two accompanying L-shaped compartments on the side. And finally, the 30-ounce 3-compartment, which has these nice kind of angular shapes to it. You've got one larger and two smaller. All of these natural rectangle to-go containers are 9.5 inches long by 6.25 wide and 1 3/4 high. You have two options of lids that you can pair with these. There is the clear plastic lid that fits these to-go containers, which you can see has a nice fit and also gives you just a little bit of headroom. And the natural flat lid, which you can see gives you a nice flat fit on there and is opaque. The containers are made from repurposed sugarcane fibers, and these eco-minded to-go containers are commercially compostable and biodegradable as well. They're suitable for both hot and cold foods and are naturally grease resistant. The compartments are going to help keep your foods separate and organized and keep them looking great and tasty even when they get to your customers. These containers are both freezer and microwave safe, so they're great for not only storing leftovers, but also reheating foods as well. You have your choice of the two styles of lids, and those lids are sold separately, so you can pick the ones that best suit your needs. They're perfect for pre-prepared meals, packing up to-go orders, and a variety of other tasks. So they're great for any establishment looking for an eco-minded to-go container.